I'm gonna be doing a little unboxing, I guess you can call it that. I ended up purchasing some lamps to go on the side of the sofa right here. And you all probably have seen these lamps before. They're popular by a couple of YouTubers that I see that have them as well. And I really like the sleek, modern look of it. So I figured I'd go by Ikea and try the product out myself and see if I like it as much as I did, you know, when I seen it online. All right, and this is the actual box that it comes in. That's how small and sleek it is. Try not to damage the box if I have to put it back in there. This video should have gone up prior to my previous Decorate With Me video. So I did do a living room update that includes these lights as well as some different pictures. So be sure to check that out when you get a chance. But looks like I'm gonna end up messing it up. Oh, I gotta put this together. I don't be putting stuff together. Shouldn't be difficult though. That's the pieces right there. Anything in here? You get me the small screwdriver. Hold on, let me see if there's something in here. Oh, this is the base. Yeah, the small screwdriver.
You want me to get it?
Yeah. Ooh, this little base is heavy.
These both mainly work for me.
Huh?
These both usually work.
I'm looking before I even start looking at the directions. Looks like that goes in there. I was just looking for this too. I'm like, it's got to be something that come with this one right here. I might not even need the one she gave me. Here. should. Make sure I read this right so I don't mess it up. That's supposed to fit down in there. Oh, that's why I say do it on a table. Oh, okay. Come here real quick.
Alright.
Now you're gonna stand up. You're gonna hold this. Okay. These line up. Alright, hold this just like this. Don't move it. Don't move it. I got the holes on it.
Oh, never mind.
You don't see it?
No. I'm sure they're falling between your legs.
It's over here somewhere. Hidden.
That's not how you do it. It's like this curved it.
I'll move it. I'll move that and I'll move it. It can't be too far because we're just right here. Here, you put it in the hole, my nails. Put it flat down in there. And I'll have you get the next one in a minute. Actually, go ahead and put one right here. Right here, right here. Try to see if you can.
Should be on there.
This don't feel like it's turning, it's just like it's loose. Yeah, it's loose. It shouldn't be loose like that. Unless it's just.
It's different
See
for
that? Yeah, it's supposed to. You're not supposed to do the turning anymore.
Yeah, I know.
Because I don't want the whole thing to end up coming apart. Alright, it looks like it's. I gotta add the other one. Get the other one and put it in the hole. The hole is lined up right here. Turn the directions around. It's not hard, it's just getting. No, I meant the other way. Oh, hold on. Yeah, it goes in there. And I turn it. Yeah, they go on the sides. It's not hard. I just want to make sure this don't come loose. I don't want me to take it loose. What's up? Be careful with that. Yeah, I don't want it to. Hold the top part straight up. It goes this way. It goes like this, like that.
Just like that?
Hmm?
Just like that?
Yeah.
Because the cord's still going to be hanging out.
Yeah, that's the thing I need to see. Hold that up. Because this cord's supposed to be able to feed it through. Yeah, because when you put it in, you can put them on the couch sideways. And then this is the top part that goes to that.
I'm trying to get it to that. If I could try to get the cord together.
Turn it right way, it would be easy.
Plus this point got a barrier
There,
directly.
this way. Now try to see if you can get it down because this is the way it goes.
This way? I'm able to push the cord in, but I can't push it in here. Because it got a little thing in it.
This is supposed to be like a lot simpler than what it is. Going. Here's the hose. It's supposed to go literally straight like this and call it a day, be done.
I'm guessing they might have added a little bit more wire than they thought. That's what I'm assuming. Now you're pulling it out.
Oh, that's what, pull the bottom. That's what it is. Okay, now hand me, oh, actually the beat, hold on, no, not that. Dave, give me one at a time because they're tiny. Or you can stick it in there.
If I could, without losing it.
Hold on, let me hold it. Get the little small, that small thing so you put it in.
Ah, sounds good. Like,
Yeah, put that in there. Push it down first. Okay. You got it? All right. Get the thing. This is sideways. I don't want it to fall, but this get lost. It's gonna be hard to find that.
oh wait. Oh, something. You got twisted.
Is it lined up with the hole? No, it goes
Oh, it
frontwards.
is.
Yeah, it goes frontwards. Yeah. Is it in there?
Yeah.
That goes to this. Very easy. That just sticks in there. All right, let me see. What's that?
Another thing.
Hold on, another what? Hold that.
Oh, never mind. I'm guessing those are this is extra pieces.
Oh. Yeah, there should be just two.
Need the
Yeah,
light
probably an
or-
extra one just in case. So those two. Yes, let me see the light. Hold on, let me push this in here some more. Can I see the other thing real quick? Let me push this in. No, the screwdriver thing.
The screwdriver.
The hook thing. No, not that. The little small thing I just had. Right here. Here you go.
Oh.
Because I got it screwed, but it looks like it's sticking out. So.
Oh, I think it's up top.
Huh?
I think it's up.
Hold on, don't put that up there yet. Yeah, this is like sticking out. You see how this is all the way in here and this is sticking out. And it should be straight in just like that, and it's not.
Looks like it went from up to down.
Alright, you got the other part? Hold on, undo. This silver thing go just that fast.
This?
Oh, I didn't know you could. Put that over there. I'm not lost, but I'm about to move this. I don't know if it's a plug on that side or not. I'm gonna plug it, try it on this side first.
No. There's not a plug over there.
Huh?
There's not a plug over there.
Let me get the extension cord. Let me see the scissors.
those off?
Hmm?
You cut those off?
Look at that right there. What purpose does it serve? None. Alrighty, let me see if I can.
Step on it. After all, I never wear slippers.
Over here. Yeah, I got one right here. The extension cord. These what? This thing is heavy. And so, that's what I wanted. So basically, it can go. I'm not gonna stick it under yet because I'm trying to see how to let it. Did you just pull something?
No, I kept it right here. You must have moved it.
This thing. Yeah, that's supposed to stay. I guess maybe once I put it underneath, it'll stay in one spot. I need to get the extension cord.
Ready?
Yeah. So it has a dimmer and the thing. So.
Pretty bright.
Has a dimmer too. I think it's like, yeah, you can, it's another setting. Where you can press, I think it's a dimmer too. Yeah, so when I,
ooh, damn, my eyes different.
Which one you press? This button?
Are you trying to look for the dimmer?
Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah, so what'd you do?
I just held the power button.
Yeah. Like I said, this and they usually take this and push it all the way underneath the thing. So I don't know if I want it on the table or I could really. You will know it'll be kind of hard now because this is not going to fit right there. I have to stay here. What I'm actually trying to do is line the bottom base up with the sofa. You do need to lift the sofa up in order to, get an even flush look with the lights. But right now it's just leaning against the sofa. Yeah, I have to try to push it in some. I need a box. Now, hopefully this second light should be a little smoother process than the first one.
Watch out, 'cause I know
All right, push that over there for me, please.
What?
That so I want steps on it. All right, I'm gonna put this over here with the phone. And as you can see, it's not that tall, but it's just specifically for the couch. And that's both lights. I actually have to have them pushed underneath the sofa some more. I have to get some help to lift the sofa up, but that's the look of them. And they do have dimmers as well, so you can make it a little darker if you like.